Today, we're going to practice a short conversation with a friend. You're unable to make it. Pay attention to how the sentences flow naturally. Let's begin. Hey, are we still on for tonight? Listen.
Hey, I was just about to message you. Something came up last minute.
Repeat. Oh yeah? Let me guess. Suddenly too busy, huh? Listen.
Not exactly. I've got a couple of things to sort out at home.
Repeat. Right. Things at home. Sounds a bit suspicious. Listen.
I know how that sounds, but I'm actually serious this time.
Repeat. You said that last time, too. Listen.
Yeah, that's fair. But today I really can't make it.
Repeat. I'll let it slide this time. Listen.
Appreciate it. I owe you one.
Repeat. You better. Listen.
Let's lock something in later this week. I won't bail again.
Repeat. We'll see about that. Listen.
Fair enough. I deserve that.
Repeat. Let's go over some of the key phrases here. Let me guess. Let me guess. You forgot again. Can't make it. Sorry, I can't make it tonight. Let it slide. I'll let it slide this time. Owe you. I owe you one. Lock in. Let's lock it in for Friday. Bail on. She bailed on our plans. Let's quickly go over the dialogue again. Hey, are we still on for tonight? Oh yeah? Let me guess. Suddenly too busy, huh? Right. Things at home. Sounds a bit suspicious. You said that last time, too. I'll let it slide this time. You better. We'll see about that. Great job. Repeat it again and focus on the flow. Try to sound as natural as possible. See you in the next one.